Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass LEER 100R series. Fits the 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra with the 5.8 bed. Charcoal gray in color. It's a pretty decent unit. Got some minor issues, but nothing really bad. Paint looks good all the way through here. The top and the top edge looks good. Not seeing any issues there. Couple of little I don't know, cracks, stress cracks. It's just probably just in the paint would be my guess. Doesn't look very bad, but they're there. A little bit of a paint chip right there, and a couple scratches right there. Bottom edge has some nicks in it. Going down through here, probably was taken off and set on the ground. A lot of times people take these off and they set them in there, and the rocks on the ground chip up the edges, and the back corner is the same way. Half side sliding windows on the side. Picture window in the front. Paint looks good through there. A couple nicks right there. Through here looks really good. Small little nick right there, and there's some more of those little cracks. It's clearly in the paint, but little chip right there too. There it is. Looks good through here. A little bit of a chip in the paint there. A couple chips right there. It's good down through there. Paint looks good through there. Just noticed it does have a little bit of a crack right there on the window. Paint looks good on this side. There's some more of those little paint blemishes there. I'm not really sure what those are, but oh, there's a chip on the top right there. But the top edge through here looks good. Little can't even see it. There it is. One of them little paint issues right there. Looks good through there. Down through here looks really good. Bottom edge on this side looks good. A couple small chips right there. This one doesn't look like it got damaged as bad from sitting on the ground. It's like a nice bug or dirt. A little bit of stone chip right there. Yeah, it looks really good. The bottom edge on this side didn't get any damage. Half side sliders on this side as well. A couple little chips on the bottom edge there. Looks like it must have leaked at one point in time. They filled that up with silicone on the top edge. Double T handle, locking rear door. Bare fiberglass on the inside. Screens look good on this side. Not seeing any holes in there. This side, screens look good as well. Not seeing any holes on this side either. Serial number. There it is, cab high fiberglass LEER 100R series. Fits the 07 to 13 GMC Sierra with the 5.8 bed. This unit will also fit the Chevy, but it will hang out a little bit wider by the tailgates. Back here, if you put this on a Chevy bed rail is narrower, so it comes in about there. This will kind of hang over the side, but it fits fine. It just hangs out because it's made for the wider bed rail of the GMC. If you have a Chevy cap, it doesn't fit the GMC, but you can make a GMC cap fit the Chevy. Anyway, cab high fiberglass gray, 07 to 13, 5'8" bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. You can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased online from our store as well. You just click that link, go to our site, type in what you're looking for on the search bar, and we'll get it shipped out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain style cap, brand, color, height, what have you, we upload our used units to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you'll want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.